Billy D here, super excited for Cal Jam this Friday. Like 2 days. But the notebooks finally came in. High Voltage Tour California Jam 2018. Check those out. Sponsored by our great friends over at Max Living. I am really super excited to listen to Cliff this year, Cliff Hardick. I'm also very grateful to BJ for organizing all this. But I really want to put some love and thanks out to the Max Living group, number one, because I love speaking to that group. It's one of the most on fire groups I speak to all year, and hopefully they'll have me back again this year. But also, they were the second leading referrer. They referred us more attendees than anybody else, and I look at that stuff, and it's important to me that people are team players. So a lot of love going out to Max Living, a lot of love going out to Cliff Hardick, BJ Hardick, a lot of love to all the Max Living attendees that are coming. We're going to have a great time, but this notebook is sweet. It's hardcover. Create the future you want to see. Sounds awesome. And then we also have our secret date for next year, but I got to keep that a secret, so you got to wait on that. All right, Billy D signing off. Again, thank you to Max Living for being our notebook sponsor, all the referrals, and being one of the speakers at the most amazing chiropractic event on the planet, California Jam, here this Friday in sunny California. It's going to be in the 80s on Sunday, so bring your bikinis and your board shorts. All right, signing off. Billy D, rock and roll.
This is the greatest chiropractic event on the planet.
First impressions are everything, and when you walk in, you see the crowd, you see the stage set up, you hear the band.
The camaraderie was incredible, impressive, and I really felt like I was connected with my community.
Incredible. I've been to 9 out of 10 Cal Jams. The energy was through the roof, the most electric Cal Jam I've ever been to.